Laibak asida laribi state amana sakot pagi lambi da sangsin matam da koi fium patana sakot pangam loi ai koi me bana hing bada phabadung sit amadi environment mathau tai environment kanna ba hona bada mipung khudi maki thodang lai haina principal conservator of forest oi batana tana textile commerce and industries ke additional chief secretary Anurag Bajpai na phondokri wafam asi director of handlooms and textiles sinduna banma so kamari lainana nelkoti te laiba urban hatta usara thapa ki thalam da phondokibani taramatu da Anurag na makha taraduna Asing manungsidamati leibak lehaw leiraba matamda aikoy industry saukatana semilon saukot sauna ahong wam lakadori bani saukot balibak kuting makna makoy akoy bi film tarutana na thamli bani akoy film fagatana lamdamasi saukot pagi lambida sangsin magamloy haiki tharamatuda handloom and textiles ki director ilangmam jiten commerce and industries ki director Y Robita yauna atop official singamadi mahiroi kaya na sar chara kaya thaki
We have to look everything in totality. Then only the state can grow. Then only the resources of the state can grow. Then only the overall environment, atmosphere of the state can grow. Then only the economy will grow. Without good environment, there will be no good economy. I tell you, be assured. You look at any country who is developed. That country is having good environment first. Then only the good economy. You see across the world, the European countries who are the most developed countries, and among them Finland is the most developed country. You see how good, how environment friendly is Finland, and that is one of the most developed countries in the world.